Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Suzuki key fob. First and foremost, you're going to need one of these 1616 replacement batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. You're also going to need a flat tip screwdriver, and you really want it to be pretty wide up top here. And a Phillips. This is a 3.0. First thing you want to do is remove this Phillips screw. Go ahead and take that out. Now this back cover here is kind of tricky. This portion you're going to want to slide up. There's a little catch that's holding these two together. So you want to just kind of separate a little bit and work it down away from the blade. You gotta be careful because this can explode and the pieces can go everywhere. So now this piece you need to rotate this, and I like to put the screwdriver right here and just move it just like that. Now this piece sometimes can be difficult to get up. Depends on what kind of condition this gasket's in. You can see this gasket is a little damaged here, but it's not too bad. There's your dead battery. You can go ahead and remove that. Take out your old one. Make sure you place your new one positive side facing upward. Just have it seated in just like that. For this, you want to get this gasket underneath these two clips here. Push that in there, and then get your screwdriver and twist it back to lock, just like that. And you can flip it over here and just go ahead and test it. Make sure you got your red light. This gets seated right here. And then to put this back piece on, you want to make sure that little catch right there gets in the top piece. Just like that. Put your screw back in and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.